Welcome back to Auto Legends. Today, we're diving into something truly extraordinary, the 2026 Kenworth W900 motor home truck. This isn't just a truck, it's a luxurious home on wheels, engineered for those who crave freedom without sacrificing comfort or power. At first glance, the 2026 Kenworth W900 retains its classic, iconic long-nose design, a tribute to its legacy, but look closer, and you'll notice modern upgrades that make it fit for the future. Chrome accents, LED lighting, and aerodynamic enhancements blend old-school cool with new-age tech. But it's what's inside that transforms this beast into a mobile mansion. Step into the cabin, and you're met with top-tier craftsmanship. The driver's area features a fully digital dashboard, advanced navigation, adaptive cruise control, and lane assist technology. Leather captain chairs, heated and cooled, provide unmatched comfort for long hauls. But the magic really begins when you step into the motorhome section. This isn't your average sleeper cab. The W900 Motor Home Edition offers a fully integrated living space with a queen-sized bed, a compact kitchen with granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, a full bathroom with a walk-in shower, and even a cozy dining area. High-end materials are used throughout. Wood flooring, leather trim, soft LED lighting, and soundproof insulation make you forget you're even inside a truck. Powering this luxury giant is a 15-liter Cummins X15 engine, delivering up to 605 horsepower and 2,050 pound-feet of torque. It's mated to an Eaton 18-speed automated transmission for smooth and responsive shifting. Despite its size, this truck drives with precision and authority, ready to tow heavy loads or cruise cross-country highways with ease. The chassis and suspension are also custom designed for the motorhome variant, offering air ride for a smooth, vibration-free ride. Fuel efficiency is improved through advanced engine tuning and lightweight materials, ensuring that power doesn't come at the cost of performance or range. Tech features are abundant. Integrated solar panels on the roof help power interior systems, while a lithium-ion battery bank stores energy for off-grid living. Satellite internet, smart TV, climate control via an app, and voice-activated controls all make this a rolling smart home. What really sets the 2026 Kenworth W900 motor home apart is the lifestyle it offers. It's built for truckers who want to live on the road in luxury or RV enthusiasts who refuse to compromise on performance. Whether you're touring national parks or making long hauls across states, this machine redefines what a motorhome can be. Kenworth has successfully fused strength, tradition, and innovation into one stunning vehicle. The 2026 W900 motor home truck is not just about reaching your destination, it's about enjoying the journey in ultimate style and comfort. Thanks for watching.